So one of the topics or lesson that we discussed last Monday was the categories and concepts. So a category is a collection of instances which are treated as if they were the same like objects, natural kinds, people, events, and ideas. So a concept refers to all the knowledge that one has about the category. So one scene in the movie that I can relate to the lesson is when Falco appears at a halftime during the final game of the season, and the entire team works very hard to win the game. So the entire team came to life as a result of Falco's excellent leadership, advice, and beautiful strengthening and encouraging words. So the entire team in the game won and helped to fulfill their second chance in life because of their unity, having a miles and miles of heart, a good communication, no fear, also being wise, and yeah. So when the strike ended, none of them ever played pro football again. But it didn't matter because they each receive a second chance, a second good chance at endless fame and glory. So here in categories, not only help us to process information, they also help us to learn, remember, and integrate new information. And concepts are the building blocks of thought, and consequently, they are crucial to psychological processes as categorization, inference, memory, learning, and decision making.
In the movie I watched, The Replacements, it was all about the football game where the playoffs were approaching. So, Coach Jimmy had to recruit members for their team, the Washington Sentinels, to fight for the playoffs. And then he recruits non-pro players but only normal people who are not are really football players but have the ability and skill to play the game. And according to him, they all have something unique to bring to the game. That's why he recruited them. And if I will connect it to our last discussion about the concept and categories, this set of things can be considered a category, a set of objects that can be treated as equivalent in some way. But most of the our categories seem much more informative. They share many characteristics. For example, from the movie, they have different works or doing in life like SWAT team officer, guards, thief, or they call the leg who can kick too far. Although the objects in a given category are different from one another, but they have many commonalities or similarities. Intelligent behavior is built on the foundation of concept. People are expected to know what to do in new situation and when confronted with unfamiliar objects. Just like the Washington Sentinels, most of the members don't know how to play football because they never play it, but they have an idea on how to play it. And when they are in the game, they can play and excel because of their skills, ability, and knowledge about the football that can be applied in playing and can result in winning the game.
In the movie The Replacements, I can connect this with our topic last meeting, which is categories and concepts. There's this scene where the Washington members of the football game have different concepts in their mind with how they will play the game. That's why they can connect and misunderstood each other. And also, they are categorized very differently. But with their similarities in behavior, which is winning the game and play with your heart code, is what makes them unite and give their best in playing the game. Another scene is when Eddie Martell, number 7, shows a discursive approach where he has his own concept with how he will play the game and doesn't mind listening to other people, which gives or makes him a different category with everyone.
So previously we have discussed the concepts and category, which mostly revolved around the field of how an individual's mind processes an event, situation, objects, and etc. These things are considered as the category, while the perspective, understanding, or the reaction resulting from the person is what we call the concept. In the movie Replacement, the significance that I have noticed in this movie that can be connected to the topic, concepts, and category is how the characters, especially the Sentinel's team owner, scrambled for a solution when the playoffs is just around the corner, thus creating a concept on how they will be able to go through and join the playoffs by hiring substitutes or replacements that will be an asset to the team in only an exact 1 week. This can be considered as an example of the topic, concepts, and categories, since by watching the movie you will be able to notice that the characters have dealt with the problem or issue at hand. This means the category or the problem got solved when all of them were able to form a concrete concept on how they will be able to get through the given event or the situation.